a site engineer living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 3 supervision. After completion of the work of RCC structure wall of retaining wall. Tip number 10. Check and ensure that the backfilling of the foundation is done with proper compaction immediately on removal of the formwork. Tip number 11. Check and ensure that the filling of earth can be done after inspection of the newly built structure for its flawless built and proper compaction is done as per the requirements. Tip number 12. Check and ensure that during the filling of earth, the weep hole's mouth shall be provided with mesh and graded stones, etc. as per the drawing specification for its proper functioning. Thanks for listening. We will meet in the next video.